That was really cool. Wait till you see this video.
Hey, wait.
This is just phenomenal for human health right here. And you're eating the whole thing. You're eating the skin. You're eating the seeds. The seeds really aren't even a issue. But you are eating that fiber. You're eating the pulp, the entire nutritional quality of chokeberry. So far this year, we've had chokeberry. Recently, elderberry have come to ripen. That's elderberry and chokeberry there, but the elderberry are the smaller berries. These are fresh there in the center of the screen, fresh picked chokeberry. These are chokeberry that were refrigerated. We toss these chokeberry into the fridge unrinsed, and we're just looking at them now 6 weeks later. There's no kind of weird funk in there, so they store real well. This is a container full of chokeberry that we toss into the container. We assume that these can store upwards of a year. Well, this is the reason chokeberry is so valuable, along with huge human health benefits, where you can eat it fresh, you can refrigerate chokeberry, and you can also freeze it. All right, onward and upward. Maria, how do you make your super delicious shakes? We got banana, basically a cup of chokeberry, I like chokeberry, cinnamon, let's throw in some more chokeberry. Maria is using dates. You can also use fig as a sweetener. And poco leche, some milk. So that's what we're looking at. Just kind of cover everything up with some milk and let it rip. So depending on how much chokeberry you put in there, that determines just how purplish your goodness is. That's your dates. Dates kind of fall to the bottom. So this one's going to be a little datey. But you can also use fig or use whatever sort of sweetener you want. The key, I think, with this, and Maria can correct me, is the banana, the milk, and the fruit. In this case, we're using chokeberry. The fig and the dates are hints of sweetness. Things like cinnamon add a little zing and a zang to it. Bonjour. That is damn tasty. The fig blend a little better than the dates. We get a couple little chunks of date at the bottom of our Slurpee. You know what? I can actually throw those dates back in the blender, and we're gonna make some more. Now we're gonna make another drink, and we're just gonna be doing elderberry as well as chokeberry. Both these fruits aren't sugar sweet. They're kind of pulpy, not real juicy, and they'll blend into something like banana and milk instantly. Just a little rubbing action. And you got a handful of elderberry. This is from John's elderberry, a very erect plant, by the way. Wonderful, giant heads of flowers. All this whole thing is like a big, giant white flower. And a white flower turns the individual little fruit. They're first very green, and then they just get dark like a chokeberry. Elderberry comes in right after chokeberry. So you see the color. Hang on one second. Look at this. See, so that's chokeberry alone. And that's chokeberry with elderberry. So you see a little different shade. These products are used for food coloring, and geez, I really wish more things were the shade of elderberry, although that's not the most attractive color on the planet, but that's a cool color. That's a beautiful color. Okay, bottoms up on this stuff. Ooh, so this was 2 bananas, cinnamon, dates. How many dates did you throw in on the larger mix?
5.
5 dates. And on the smaller mix, how many dates?
3.
So on the first one was 3 dates. This is 5 dates, cinnamon, and then just fill milk up to the top of the ingredients. You started without me. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow. The chokeberry and the elderberry just completely disappear into this smoothie.